Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to install Microsoft OneNote app. So if you also want to install Microsoft OneNote app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in Microsoft OneNote application, you'll be able to take the notes. Also, you'll be able to share your ideas, organize and collaborate your ideas. So if you also want the application in which you can take the notes, you can download the Microsoft OneNote. Installing the Microsoft OneNote app is very simple. This application is available both in Play Store and App Store. If you're using Android device, simply open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the options like games, apps and search. Simply tap on the search option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now simply type in Microsoft OneNote. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for Microsoft OneNote. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to install the Microsoft OneNote. All you have to do is tap on the install option that you can see right over here. While it is being installed, you can go through the information regarding about this app. You can also see the photos over here. You can also find the information regarding data safety. Also, you'll be able to see the reviews. You can see over here the application is of 59 MB. Scroll down for more informations. You can also rate this app. You can see the ratings and reviews over here. Wait for the application to be installed. After the application is installed, you can see over here you'll be able to find the option for open. All you have to do is tap on it. Now Microsoft OneNote application will be opened and you'll be able to use this application on your device. So that is how you install Microsoft OneNote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.